From a dusty trail he came, all the way from the Aleutian Islands on an Alaskan fishing boat to the rolling hills of Kentucky, through the backwoods of Missouri to the snow-capped Rockies of Colorado, across the hot swamps of Florida to the lakes of Tennessee. With the dog named Bandit by his side, he rides. He is the backwoods badass. Out.
Keep it frickin' hillbilly, this is what I say. In every single way I live it every single day. Judging from my looks, you say that I'm a hick. You think that I get mad, but now this is my stick. Boots on, camouflage, Copenhagen deal. Moonshine jar, think I might get me a seal. Redneck, hillbilly, country mother trucker. Yuppies think it's funny that my cousin is my brother. Born in a trailer in the middle of the woods, shooting deer and drinking beer, it's all that's understood. Dip in my lip, much in my hand. Redneck nation on my back, we dominate and fade to black. Getting drunk up in the back of the bourbon truck, I'm skinning bugs, shooting ducks, running amok, not giving a fuck. Y'all don't like